This is the King Superior Corner Oceanfront room in the Hilton Virginia Beach Oceanfront in Virginia Beach, Virginia. This was room number 1613. This room tour is going to include the gym and the pool area in the hotel, but the amenities were shut down during our visit because the hotel was host to the Jackalope Athletic Competition. So the room was incredibly noisy with them building the stage and the ramps most of the day, but hopefully this helps someone understand how much space is available in the suite if you choose to visit when the festival is not in town. Over the years, we have stayed at this location a few times, but they have since closed the club level that made this location very special. But we could still stay based on the view alone. See the link below for Hilton.com and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed touring this room with us here at VR Virtual Studio.